Vanjoin soft ceramic tile is a new type of lightweight, energy-saving, environmental flexible, ecological-facing material. Therefore, compared with traditional building decoration materials, the construction method has some differences. The correct and standard construction methods can better highlight the product's characteristics and avoid potential security hazards. The construction video in the following is made in accordance with construction requirements of National Industry Standard JG T311-2011, combined with Vanjoin soft ceramic tiles' unique characteristics. In your actual projects, if the designer or construction workers want to adopt a different construction method, it is friendly suggested to confirm with Vanjoin company or dealers in advance. Construction condition of Vanjoin soft ceramic tiles. During the construction process of soft ceramic tiles as exterior wall and within 24 hours after construction completed, it is sure to keep in mind that the outdoor temperature cannot be lower than 5 degrees and should avoid sun exposure. Construction is not allowed in the weather of wind over force 5, thunderstorms and snowstorms. Check the basic wall. Ensure there's no cracks, no hollowing, dirt, dust, oil, etc. It should be cleaned before construction. The wall itself should have sufficient strength and adhesion, which can meet the plastering requirements of Building Decoration Engineering Quality Acceptance GB 50210-2001. Then, the construction can be implemented. In order to ensure